Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina, and today is Friday, April 29th. Today is possibly the most exciting day in Cary Quilting shop history. This is, of course, the Quilt Sampler magazine that's produced twice a year, and in this magazine, they give you the top shops in the country. And in case you didn't know, let me find the right page. 84 is your magic number. Cary Quilting is a top shop. Yay! So we have known this for a long time, but we've had to keep quiet for a while, and now we've been waiting really excitedly for the day when we can begin to sell our magazines. Today is the day. We're right here in the middle. And along with our feature in the magazine, which is several pages long, we have our own baby quilt pattern called Sweet Talk. So I have the baby quilt right here, the actual one that was photographed for the magazine. A very cute little quilt, very beginner friendly. And the other thing I like about it is you could make extra popsicles and personalize your quilt for your favorite summer baby. And the other great thing about it is that you use up a lot of the fabric, because if you look at the binding, it's made out of the same fabric as the popsicles. So you don't have a lot of waste at the end of this one. And if you don't want to add the little nails or screws on your planks, it goes together super, super fast. But the way I added the nails and screws was I stuck them down with fusible product and then put a little X stitch right on top. So very quick, very easy, a lot of fun, super cute. Definitely goes with a lot of the decor aesthetic of a lot of new parents. So we have kits, we have magazines. You can choose an autographed or unautographed copy. I won't tell you how long I spent practicing my autograph, but some of them are in here. So you can choose which way you'd like it. And we do have kits for the quilt right here. So you get all the colors for the popsicles, all the colors for the wood plank, everything that you need for the top and binding right here in the kit. The kits are $39.99, and it's also Fat Quarter Friday. So today we have Spring Stroll by Tammy, which starts with this Paris piece. Look at that little poodle. And then goes around and around to add pretty pieces to go with that group. So Spring Stroll by Tammy is today's Fat Quarter Friday bundle. Today is Quilt Sampler Day. Yay, we're a top shop. And tomorrow is Handmade Market. So be sure to come and visit us tomorrow, 10 to 4. We have a few of these magazines, so I feel pretty confident that you can grab one anytime in the next month or so. There should be plenty here. We can also ship it to you, so find it online. I will be sure to link it everywhere. And thank you guys so much for helping to grow this business into a top shop. I really appreciate it. Have a wonderful weekend. I hope to see you tomorrow, and we will, if not see you tomorrow, see you back here on Monday from the shop. Bye.